stop playing with him.
DEVINCI and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Oh, I absolutely love this wig. It's got 3 combs, well 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and an adjustable strap. I'm going to be using the new Got2b Glue Instant Hold, and quite frankly, this Got2b Glue is awesome. Throughout this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts on it, but since we're here, it smells bomb. It absolutely held for like 3 days. It could have lasted for a whole week. In this video, closer to the end, I do a kind of like a wear test where I go to sleep with a bonnet, and y'all know how bonnets are. Bonnets are not secure around the edges. Like if you're gonna sleep with your wig on, make sure you have on a scarf, a silk scarf. But I slept with a bonnet because I was like, if this falls off my head, at least I'm gonna know if this, if this spray is secure enough for like a, let's say you had a one-night stand. I'm married, so it's not gonna happen here, but let's say you wanted to sleep with your wig on for your honey bun. You can definitely sleep with your wig on with this spray. The spray is the truth, and it smells bomb. It does have residue, like let's say after I've sprayed it and you see it's all over my face, my forehead. It does turn white, but it doesn't turn as white as the yellow freeze blast spray. It's such a tongue twister. But yeah, it held and it dried pretty fast. Like I didn't use that blow dryer for any no long time, and if you don't have a blow dryer, you really don't need one, to be honest. But yeah, I really like this spray, and it's only $4.99. I picked mine up at Target. So yeah, go to Target. I got 3 of them, and I'm probably gonna get some more. But I love, when I say love, I mean really love this spray. I got a lot of new supporters. Thank you so much. A lot of people who are brand new to wigs, brand new to tattooing, and they're just trying to live their best life by DIYing and figuring it out. So what you're gonna do, I'm so happy that you joined me on my journey. So I like to cut it in a few tabs because it makes it a lot easier. If you had a fresh razor, it would make your life that much easier, but we don't have a fresh razor. Kind of gotta pull it up, take the razor, and it's going to just do the work for you. You do need to look around. Pull it up a bit, look. And what you're gonna see a little residue that's kind of up. If you don't want to cut it all off, you're gonna re-go in with your spray and spray it down, and you guys are gonna see that it's gonna melt it. We have a white cast around our face, and this is additional lace. Get it as close as you can. I just take the spray and kind of lightly do it and just run our comb forward. You don't really got to spray that much. I think I sprayed too much. So we're going to spray. Then we're going to bring our comb forward. We got our flat iron from Duval. Got a coupon code DEVINCI for 70% off. I actually don't think that I'm going to do baby hairs. So yeah, I think that this is a really good wig. And it didn't take much work. Like if you aren't that good at plucking wigs, it's like pre-plucked. So you guys are gonna see in a few clips that I ended up doing baby hairs. That was day 2. I ended up doing baby hairs because when I put my hair up in a ponytail, the medium brown lace just looked too dark against my skin tone. So what I did was I used a powdered foundation that was like 2 shades lighter than my skin, and I was able to put that on the lace. Since this came pre-plucked, there was no work that I really needed to do. I cut the baby hairs, added that. I first cut the baby hairs and then I swooped them, and then after they molded from the mousse, I took the powder and dusted all over all the places that would be seen. And that's that clip that you saw in the beginning where it just looks so snatched. That's what I did. So ba-ba-ba-ba-bomb. I actually love this wig. I'm gonna order another one, so you should check it out if you're looking for a cheap cute bob. Ba-ba-ba-bomb. It smells so good, and it's $5. This one is like $13.49. Like this nozzle is like a big circle, and this nozzle is just, it's small, so you can really just get to where you're like, you see it, it doesn't go everywhere. This one on the other hand it just goes all over the place. Really good. I'm actually really enjoying it. I picked up 3 at my Target. They had them. If they don't have them on Amazon, they have them at Target for $4.99. Nobody's trying to overcharge you at Target. I don't know, I felt like it was really good. Like, I would definitely use this again in the future. When I was going to style the hair and I sprayed it all over the hair, it didn't leave my hair crispy. You know, like sometimes when you spray a hairspray on your hair and it's like a high hold type of hairspray, it just has your hair like all day. My hair, it's got some body, it's still flowing, and I've sprayed this all over my hair. You know, this is not a sponsored video. This is just my opinion, and I actually really like it. I would buy it again. The lace is, however, a medium brown, so if you're lighter than me, you're gonna really have to do some finessing on making the lace match your skin. I decided, so y'all, okay, for real, normally I sleep with an actual scarf on if I'm gonna wear a wig, but I was like, all right, let's be real fancy. I'm just thinking, like, why would somebody actually sleep with no scarf on or nothing to lay their edges down? But let's see if this Got2b stick on. Yeah, we good. I've taken a shower with no scarf on. Yeah, it's the truth. This top part is a little flabby off, as you guys can see. This top part is it's come off a bit, but for the most part, everything else, I decided I'm gonna probably need to pluck out some more of the hairline if I'm gonna try to be fancy like that. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna say that Got2b glue. I look like an art student. They Got2b glue, I'll use it again in the future. Yeah, I actually really like the way the wig looks. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I decided to just pop back on so you guys can see what the hair looked like in a ponytail, in case you were wondering. But I absolutely love it. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what wig videos you guys want to see in the future, or videos you want to see, period. I know a lot of you guys are here for my tattoo content, but I still gotta look good, okay? So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like DEVINCI.